Ndị Igbo ekene m unu. Asị m ka nke echikwelu ya zelu. Anyị si ndụ mmiri ndụ azụ, mmiri atara m azụ anwụra. Asị ọ dịrị mma na eke, dịrị mma n'orie, fọzara mma n'afọ, fọzara mma na nkwọ, ụzọ ahịa anọ nke ndị Igbo ji biri. Asị na ya dịra n'Igbo na mma o. Ise ise ise. Dịka o si dị ka agbapụ na ya ọsọ igosi na ya bụ ife anyị ji maka ya wee bịa. Na tupu anyị aga n'igosi na ya bụ ife, ọ bụla nke a bụ ụbọchị izu gị, ị na-ejete afụ chanel anya n'igbe akwụkwọ ka barụ ka ị like and subscribe ọ. Tinyekwa kọmentị, share ekwe ya, tụsa ya bụ ozi ka ụmụnne anyị dị n'ebe dị iche iche wee nụ ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo a. Dịka o si dị, ihe wetara unu tata bụ nnukwu update dị oke mkpa. Mma nchọ ka onye ọbụla misie ya, mma nchọ ka ị ga ya bụ ife, ị ga-esi ya bụ ife wetara unu kpasịta maka ya bụ ife na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya, and were ndị Igbo na-azọ drop your own comment.
So my people, the truth is gradually coming out about Simon Ekpa's arrest in Finland and also people that are behind it. I'm talking about Igbos that are behind the arrest of Simon Ekpa and also how they tried their possible best in order to stop this declaration of independent state of Biafra in Finland. This is the reason why you guys know that initial time their plan was to declare the Biafra on 2nd of December. But instead of that, they did it on 29th of November. Okay, some of us may be against Simon Ekpa due to maybe the way he does his own thing. But you that are totally against the liberation of Biafra, what are you really doing for Ndi Igbo? Look at the Southeast. No federal government present in the Southeast. You guys know that initial time, nnamdi Kanu was talking about restructuring. But at the end of the day, nnamdi Kanu realized that these people called Nigeria, they don't even regard Ndi Igbo. This is the reason why nnamdi Kanu was agitating for Biafra freedom, because he believed that Igbos cannot continue like this because we don't have leaders that are representing us in the federal level. All these Igbos that are working with Nigeria government in order to make sure that they send Simon Ekpa to prison. Like, how many times have they come out to talk about people that are saying it publicly that Igbo man will never be a president of Nigeria? Like, how many times have they come out to speak out to condemn that nonsense talk? And they're not just talking about it, they are working towards it to make sure that they will stand. Look at Buhari was the president of Nigeria for 8 years and Nigerians saw Shege. After then, Tinubu took over and we are seeing Shege Banza. Now the Northerners are feeling it like so hot. So they have come out with full force saying that come 2027, no matter what, that the power must go back to the North. This to show you that these people do not regard Ndi Igbo. So what is Igbos doing about this? Are they going to continue to be boy in their own so-called country? Instead of them to focus on things that are very, very important for their people, they are after working against their own people because of their selfish reasons. Look at what is happening after the declaration of independent state of Biafra. Like, how long are we going to continue like this? Are you guys not tired, Ndi Igbo? Like, I am so angry, honestly. When you look at everything that is happening, it is so traumatizing. Let me allow you guys to listen and hear what this our brother said here concerning this matter. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, share the video and also give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend this video to other people to watch. Thank you so much for doing so.
Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you. Pending your time zone and pending where you are watching or hearing me from this very wonderful morning. May God bless you for watching. And this is the only place you get the real gist of what is going on within Nigeria and the Finnish authorities about the Simon Ekpa's case. I will give you nothing but the truth and tell you nothing but the truth. You know, there's been this, misunderstanding going on in the government of Biafra, with our Chief of Staff, Ngozi Oraboeze, and the rest of them dissolving the cabinet just immediately after the convention ended, So a lot of people, it didn't go down with a lot of people, but here I've got the reason why, because I have to get the facts before coming here to, telling you what's happened. Excuse me. I told you people that Tinubu is a devil. Tinubu is a very corrupt man, a highly corrupt individual. Tinubu can buy his way into anything to suit him, not to suit Nigerians, because he bought his way into the election. He bought his way in becoming the president of Nigeria. Tinubu has no good plans for Nigerians, and I will repeat that. Tinubu has no plan in making Nigeria a great nation, like Donald Trump will always come to reassure the citizens of the United States. Let me digress a bit. Just a few months ago, a few weeks ago, Tinubu appointed Bianca Ojukwu, and when he appointed Bianca Ojukwu, we were very skeptical. We know something was fishy, but we didn't want to say anything. We told our PM heard about it. We told him, we started writing to him that what's going on here. Our PM refuses to talk because he said it's not his business. Anybody can work for anybody they desire to work with. But the thing came to his subconsciousness. I said, let me address this issue, and told her specifically, as long as you don't interrupt what we are doing, you can decide to be one Nigeria. That is your problem. Now, Tinubu appointed her as her foreign minister. When this appointment came in, we didn't know what was coming. Bianca Ojukwu, nnamdi Kanu's wife, and the DOS wrote a petition against Simon Ekpa. In that petition, stating that I am the former wife of the person who intended to declare Biafra or declared Biafra. And on the declaring of the Biafran state, a lot of people died. A lot of people lost their life after the declaration of Biafra. And such should not happen again. And reminded the Finnish authority that there's been a petition against Simon Ekpa Njoku, the Prime Minister of the Biafran government in exile, of inciting violence in the southeast, terrorizing the southeast. That is where she's coming from. And this man is destroying the southeast with his attacks on citizens of the southeast. Anyways, they even wrote a petition that the Finland Convention should be stopped by every means necessary, that it is going to cause a lot of war in Nigeria. If that is being declared. But thank God for Ngozi Orabueze. And now what the Finnish citizens, Finnish authority did was to invite Simon Ekpa and said, anyways, there's been a petition against you and all of that. Now, come and explain the petition. And this man has given his own reasons and evidences of how the Nigerian terrorist army and police are making life hard and difficult for the Ndibos. This is a woman under her watch. People have been killed in the whole of the southeast. She didn't come out to do anything. This is a woman under her watch. There are so many checkpoints in all the whole Southeast. She didn't say a word. This is a woman under her watch. Her husband caused the biggest war in Nigeria that claimed almost 3.something million people's life in Nigeria. She didn't address that. This is a woman on the 2nd day of December 2024 to Kano jet fighters from the Nigerian terrorist army went to the Southeast and started destroying houses and properties and killing people. And this woman didn't speak about it. I am so disappointed. I am so, devastated. This is a woman. General Christopher Musa's boys went and apprehended 2 people in Abia State in search of unknown gunmen. They didn't see unknown gunmen. They killed these 2 people, burned them alive. How disappointed I am today that these people can gather together, Igbozo, to destroy themselves, and we are fighting the same cause. These animals that feel that they are humans, that we thought they were humans, they did not talk about any infrastructure in the Southeast. There is no good road, no good jobs, no good hospitals in the whole of the Southeast, no any good investment from Nigerian government to the Southeast. No employment opportunity. There are no seaports, no airports, no, businesses that will make our economy to boom in the Southeast. They didn't discuss that in our assembly. What they are discussing is how to end Biafra. And this was why Ngozi Orabueze now stepped in. She had all these things because the most of our cabinet members was giving the DOS of Nigeria information about what was going on in Finland, about everything that was going on. So when she had it, she didn't know who to trust again. Because I was bitter even though you had problems with these people, why don't you wait for some time? Sometimes they tell us that different times calls for different measures. And this woman dissolved the cabinet so that they would cut off that, that communication. They will cut it off completely. And they are here happy. Hey, Simon Ekpa, if we declare, I got a lot of threatening messages that they can never declare Biafra, that they know what they are doing, that Simon Ekpa is a thief. Simon Ekpa stole 700 and something million, is it pounds or dollars? I can't remember. And is fooling Biafrans. But today that Biafra is being declared under their nose and they are disappointed. And Simon Ekpa and Finland has sued the Nigerian government. And they are not telling you people anything again. You will see what the Phoenix are writing. That Simon Ekpa's case is not bailable. How gullible these people are. How stupid, how myopic in their mind that these people are. Simon's case is not bailable or offense. That his offense is highly go. That he's not going to be released until March 2025. Before his case will be. Nigerian medias. This is who you people are. And I have some idiots that will come here and start insulting me. We do not want Nigeria again. We don't want to be part of Nigeria. You don't get it. Simon Ekpa, after this nonsense you people did, Simon Ekpa is being released. What will you tell him? This woman was the same person. Excuse me. This woman was the same person who came and said, oh, they are working on releasing Nnamdi Kanu. Oh, Nnamdi Kanu is going to soon be released. Are these kind of people the people that will release Nnamdi Kanu? Now, the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu is no longer in communication with him. They have completely blocked the access of Nnamdi Kanu. From the lawyers, from the family members. According to what I heard, Bianca Ojukwu and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife and the DOS connived to destroy Biafrans, to stop the declaration of Biafran coming, to stop whatever Mazi Simon Ekpa is doing, that Mazi Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. And we are now calling on them to come and prove it. They are nowhere to be found. But it's very shameful that Bianca Ojuku's name is being called out. It is a disappointment that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's wife's name is being mentioned in this kind of ferocious atrocities. All for the love of money. You people that sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, have you not finished eating that money? Have you not finished eating the 100 million bounty on his head? If I may ask, have you people not finished eating the money, or is the money still there? Absolutely not. Absolutely no. You have finished eating the money. How terrible indeed you people are. How wicked indeed you people can be. And then Fulanis are taking over our forest in Enugu, Onitsha, Owerri, Imo, Aba. Terrorists are there. Armies are helping them to terrorize our people, our citizens. Go to the crops. Have you not seen it? Don't you see it? All you know is to run to the government of Nigeria to give you appointments. None of you speaking about the evil. Every kilometers where they kidnap people, you will see checkpoint, military checkpoint. At every point that they kidnap anybody in Southeast, military checkpoint is always there. Why? Have you not asked yourself a question? Why is Igbos heartless, wicked because of money? You cannot, we don't want to develop your own country. Your husband cost the war that cost a lot of Biafrans' lives. And today you are a sellout. We knew that Tinubu is a thief, a criminal, a certificate forger. That is who Tinubu is. We know him. We know what his antecedent is. We know Tinubu very well. A man that said, grab it, steal it, and run with it. Anybody that is working under Tinubu's administration, I consider that person to be a thief, a criminal. Because there is nothing good that will come out of Tinubu. We know that already. So whatever is happening now, we are not shocked. We are not surprised. I am very disappointed, madam. Very disappointed. But the spoiler alert is that, thank God, Biafran is declared. And we want to use this opportunity to continue to tell General Christopher Musa, remove your terrorist army on our roads, because our land is now a sovereign nation. It is now a sovereign nation. Biafra is a sovereign nation. You say you respect sovereignty, so that Finland should respect the sovereign nation of Nigeria. So please, General Christopher Musa, respect the sovereign nation of the United States of Biafra. Remove all your terrorist army in our land and their police. The Inspector General of Police, please remove all your police from our road. They are the one causing the insecurity in the Southeast. You do not want to address the problem, but you are attacking the problem in a wrong way. We are coming to tell you who we are. For those of you who are telling me we are closing in on you, you will close in on your fathers and your brothers. The terrorists will close in on them and then pick them. Pick all of you one by one. The terrorists, that thing that they are doing to us, they will do it to all of you that are here talking.
And the by Ekenekweni Muno, Edikonis Wapto Guno, Igapoyabi Ife, Nukwozito Kempa, Ejemakia, Webiani Rakuko, na Igbo Media, Boy by Siwene Uterun Yabunukozi, Dio Kempa. Basta maka ihe na-eme n'obodo anyị nọ n'ime ya, ana basta maka nwere onwe ndị Igbo na-azọ, ana basta maka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's ladies. Dịka ị nụrụ ihe nwanne anyị nwoke kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ, ka efi were ikwu n'udo nke gị asị gị kwuo, ka efi were ikwu maka na otu aka o ji dịbe njọ, ọ ya adịkwanụ mma. Ọgwụ na ọtụ ụmụnne m, achọrọ m ka unu tinyere anyị alụ nke unu ife unu chere n'iru akwụkwọ. Ikwucha ya bụ ife kabarụ sie ya, kwurutu ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị, kwurutu ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ntị. Daalụ dị na ụmụnne m bụ mụ na-ege ntị. Anyị na-ekene ndị nnekunu si na-esoyere anyị. a sị unu ngwa nke mesịa n'ụmụ Igbo.